Hello again. So here is one of my first videos, and probably the tip that for me has the most impact. So welcome in my little paradise and follow me. We're gonna speak about something very important, and it's probably the source of most of the chemicals in our household. The amount of chemicals we Westerners dump in that small corner of our house is incredible. And then if you can change that, you can probably change a lot of things just right here in your household. So what we're gonna speak about today, we're gonna be a little bit intimate, you and I. We're gonna we're gonna talk about something that is quite taboo, and a lot of people are reluctant to speak about this. So let's address this problem. How do you clean your toilet bowl? I know people are very picky about that. I know you guys that love this amazing basket. Each time you flush, it makes this beautiful blue lagoon color in your toilet bowl. Or I know the lovers of the little bird we're not allowed to speak about in this YouTube video. And you put that beautiful pink gel in the toilet bowl, and then you brush it. And each time you flush, each time you brush your toilet bowl, it sprays this chemical all over your bathroom. It smells good, but it is full of bleach, full of harmful chemicals, and these chemicals are carcinogen. And you know that. But hey, the toilet bowl needs to be clean and free of bacteria and virus. I agree with you. So let's do exactly that. And all my tips, all the tips I'm giving, I always make sure that they are easier, cheaper, better for your health, and of course ecological. But it's more common sense. So come with me. We're gonna go in my amazing little house, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. We're gonna speak today about an amazing ingredient, and which is acetic acid. Acetic acid is the scientific name for vinegar, and vinegar is very efficient against flu and bacteria. I know a lot of you will say yes, but it never will do the job as a bleach. Well, you're pretty wrong. If you look at some scientific researches in 2014, for example, it has been proven that vinegar is more efficient than bleach on mycobacteria, which causes tuberculosis, which is highly resistant bacteria. And if it can kill this bacteria, which is highly resistant, it can probably kill any kind of bacteria. And it's been proven that it's very efficient, for example, on the flu virus, or on any kind of viruses. And if you add that to a little different ingredients that I have, it's very, very nice. And it smells nice, which is the whole purpose of it all. So let me show you how you do that. So follow me to my amazing little bathroom here. And this is the toilet bowl. Yes, with no toilet paper, because that's another topic. We can get rid of that too. Don't freak out. This is my basket for cleaning. So here you'll have vinegar, spray. Don't pour the whole vinegar. It doesn't help you at all. Then we have baking soda. Baking soda as well. And salt. But there is an order to use them. And a brush, of course. Ta-da! The brush. Yes. So of course you open the toilet bowl. Very easy. You take your salt. Sorry, I have to do that with one hand. I hope you can see it. And you sprinkle it. With one hand it's a bit harder. Yep. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. Yes, like this. Then you spray vinegar all around. You close the toilet bowl, and it will do the job alone. Yes, that's right, because it should be easier. I told you about. So, well, it's working. You can do something else. You can meditate. It's about 15 minutes, 20 minutes, and it will do the job. What it will do is that the vinegar, the acetic acid, will attack all the bacteria and viruses, and the salt will just stick to the vinegar, making easier later to brush it, so it's abrasive. You follow me? Getting there. Because we're gonna speak about scale as well. It should be clean, remember? So let's open it. It's been 15 minutes, 15 long minutes, I'm sorry about the wait. And this time, we open the baking soda. Ta-da! Of course, baking soda, it's all in all the videos. Why is the baking soda interesting? Because it's abrasive as well. Because it makes a fuzzy, funny reaction with vinegar. It's just more funny than useful, this reaction, to tell you the truth. Let's spray that again. Ta-da! And then we're gonna brush it a little bit. Yes, I know, okay. We have to work. But it is extremely simple, trust me. And you will never see scale, you never see dirt, you'll never see anything. The salt will make it abrasive, so to remove a little bit the scale without hurting the ceramic of your toilet bowl. The baking soda will help remove that scale, and the vinegar will remove any germs or any viruses from your toilet bowl. It has to be interesting, no? Now we flush it and it's finished. And you know what? It is much cheaper. But like when I say cheaper, it's very, very cheap. It just depends on the amount of vinegar that you spray in the toilet bowl. Don't pour vinegar, spray vinegar. Don't pour salt, sprinkle salt. Don't pour baking soda, sprinkle baking soda. And I'll be glad if in your comments if you can calculate actually the carbon footprint. The difference of carbon footprint we just do each time. Let's say every week or every 3 days that we clean this toilet bowl. That's my French, it's horrible. Instead of using chemicals. What would be the difference? I would be very curious. Have a guess, and you'll see the difference between the two is really, truly amazing. And we are getting rid of the biggest source of chemicals in our house. It's actually a chemical bomb that is in your house that you get rid of for your partner, for your kids, for your family. This is amazing. You remove a huge health hazard for your family and a huge health hazard for the planet. So that's a little tip for how to change the world for beginners. Thank you so much for listening my super long video, and sorry about my horrible French accent.